Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, we are doing chapter number 3, name is Indices and Surds, and we started exercise 3.6, did question number 1 you can see on the screen, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. So two questions are left in this exercise, question number 6 and question number 7, which we will finish completed in today's class. So first I advise to those students who are watching this lecture first time, who are watching my videos first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder name is ADMAS. Please watch previous videos in order to get good commands. Okay, let's start question number 6. Question number 6 is the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 5 is equals to 0 are p and q, where p is greater than q. Write p upon q in the form of a plus b root 6 upon 6, where a, b and c are integers. So first we have to write the given equation x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 5 is equals to 0. Student, this is a quadratic equation, and in this case we will not apply the middle term break method called factorization. We will solve this equation by using quadratic formula, because for equation involving surds the quadratic formula is suitable. So quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root upon 2a. What is a? Is the coefficient of x square, that is 1 in this case. What is b? The coefficient of x, that is minus 2 root 6. What is c? The constant, that is 5. Now put all the values of a, b and c in the question. Minus b, b is minus 2 root 6 plus minus b square minus 2 root 6 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 5 whole root upon 2a, a is 1. So x is equals to minus minus plus 2 root 6 plus minus. You know, square of the negative number is positive, so 2 square is 4 and square and root cancel, 4 into 6 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, square root upon 2 ones are 2, x is equals to 2 root 6 plus minus 4 6 are 24 minus 20 root upon 2. Next, x is equals to 2 root 6 plus minus root 24 minus 20 is root 4 upon 2. X is equals to 2 root 6 plus minus root 4 is 2 upon 2. Then x is equals to, taking 2 is common, root 6 plus 1 upon, plus minus sorry, upon 2, 2 cancel by 2, x is equals to root 6 plus minus 1. So we have find two solutions, or you can say two roots, no matter, both are same. And according to question, these two roots are called p and q. So we will assign the value of p is root 6 plus 1 and the value of q is root 6 minus 1. Now, what is the question? Write p upon q. P upon q means we have to divide p by q. P is root 6 plus 1 and q is root 6 minus 1. Now rationalize it. Root 6 plus 1 upon root 6 plus 1. I am doing remaining work over here. So root 6 plus 1, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Root 6 minus 1, root 6 plus 1. Numerator root 6 plus 1, root 6 plus 1 can be right if the bases are same, then powers will be added. Root 6 plus 1 whole square upon root 6 minus 1, root 6 plus 1. I am applying a square minus b square. Root 6 plus 1 can be expanded by the formula a plus b whole square. So a square root 6 square plus 2 a root 6 b1 plus 1 square upon root 6 square is root 6. 1 square is 1. Root and square cancel. 6. 2 root 6 into 1, 2 ones are 2. 2 root 6. 1 square is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So p upon q is equals to 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2 root 6 upon 5. And this is our final answer. Yes, 7 plus 2 root 6 upon 5. So this is question number 6. Very interesting and very important according to examination point of view. Now come to next question, last question of this exercise. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, find the positive root of the equation 4 minus root 2 x square minus 1 plus 2 root 2 x minus 1 is equals to 0. Write your answer in the form of a plus b root 2 upon c, where a, b and c are integers. Very easy question. First we have to solve this quadratic equation. 4 minus root 2 x square minus 1 plus 2 root 2 x minus 1 is equals to 0. Again I will use quadratic formula. What is a? The coefficient of x square. 4 minus root 2. What is b? The coefficient of x, minus 1 plus 2 root 2. What is c? The constant, minus 1. Put all the values in the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b. b is minus 1 plus 2 root 2 plus minus b square. 1 plus 2 root 2 square minus 4 a. A is 4 minus root 2 into c. C is minus 1. 4ac square root whole upon 2a. A is 4 minus root 2. Now simplify it. Minus minus plus 1 plus 2 root 2 plus minus 1 plus 2 root 2 whole square can be expanded by using a plus b whole square formula. So a square is 1 plus 2ab. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 root 2 plus b square. 2 square is 4 and root 2 cancel by square. 4 twos are 8. 2 square is 4, 4 twos are 8. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. 4 fours are 16 and plus minus minus 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2. So this is just algebraic calculation, and you are at math student, so you know very well how to expand directly. And this 2 4 minus root 2 remains in the same position. 1 plus 2 root 2 same, plus minus 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25, and this minus 4 root 2 cancel by this plus 4 root 2. Square root upon 2 into 4 minus root 2. So 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 5 upon 2 into 4 minus, sorry, not 4 root 2, 4 minus root 2, I am sorry. Into 4 minus root 2. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 into 4 minus root 2. Student, this time I didn't put plus and minus both. I just put plus sign because the question is find the positive root. So I am not taking negative root. I hope you understand. I just take plus sign because it is the requirement of the question. You can take 2 is common. 3 plus root 2 upon 2 into 4 minus root 2. 2 cancel by 2. So 3 plus root 2 upon 4 minus root 2. Rationalize it. 4 plus root 2 upon 4 plus root 2. Multiply numerator by numerator. 3 plus root 2 and 4 plus root 2 upon 4 minus root 2, 4 plus root 2. Now multiply these two numerator and the denominators. I am doing over here. 3 fours are 12. 3 root 2 is 3 root 2. Root 2 into 4, 4 root 2. Root 2 into root 2, root 4. And 4 minus root 2, 4 plus root 2 can be expanded by a square minus b square formula. So a square is 14 square and b square is root 2 square. Last 2 to 3 steps I am doing over here. I don't want to rub any step. So 12 plus 3 root 2, 4 root 2 is 6 root 2, and root 4 is 4. Root 4 is 2. Upon 4 square is 16. Square and root cancel. 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 root 2. Upon 14 minus 2 is 16 minus 2 is 14. Sorry. And one mistake. 3 root 2 and 4 root 2 is not 6 root 2. It is 7 root 2. Sorry. It is 7 root 2. So taking common 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 7 is outside root 2 upon 14. 7 2s are 14. So the final answer is 2 plus root 2 upon 2. This is our final answer of question number 7. Hope you understand completely all steps of this question. What is left in this exercise? Nothing. And the good news is today not only we finished chapter number 3, not only we finished exercise 3.6, but also we finished the whole chapter 3. You know what is my practice? I always do each and every exercise, each and every question, each and every part. So successfully finish chapter number 3 today. Already finished chapter number 1, chapter number 2. What next? The next is we will start chapter number 4, very important chapter and very easy chapter. The name is factors and polynomials. So kindly watch my videos, get good command on this subject, add math, do practice more and more and more, and request for all of you, kindly do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button whenever you subscribe so that you will get the notification. Kindly don't restrict my videos to yourself, share as many students, as many fellows as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.